Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can use the function which is called as average ifs. Average ifs can be used on multiple criteria. I can calculate the sales numbers. So these are the sales numbers which are done by different representative by selling different items. So my sales data is there. I wanted to find out based on the criteria which can be representative and the item. So let me copy this representative and I will also copy the item. So these two will become my criteria for the calculation of average ifs. And I will also enter results. I will use the format. So let me select the representative name. I will select 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩. This is my first criteria, and item, I will choose any one item. I will select pencil. And in the result, I will apply the function. I will apply the formula equals average ifs. This is my function. Open the bracket. You will notice here, this is already giving me the syntax. So I need to select the range. So I'll select the range. So this is my range on which I need to apply the criteria. And I need to select the criteria. So criteria is, so the criteria range is representative. And my criteria is 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩. This is my first criteria. For this criteria, I have already selected the range and I will enter comma here. Then I have to select the second criteria range. So this is my second criteria range. In this range, my criteria will be pencil. So I have to use the comma here. And in this second criteria range, my criteria is pencil. I wanted to find out the pencil and close the bracket. So representative 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩, which is my first criteria, and the items pencil. 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩 has sold many items and many units, out of which the item pencil and its average, it is 750. So if I wanted to filter and cross check if the value is correct, I can filter and select the representative name 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩. I will select pencil. If I average these two values, I will get the average as 750. So you notice here, this is the average, which is $750. So that means our calculation is correct. Since we have already applied the formula here, I can actually go ahead and change the name here, representative name, simply by copying and pasting the name. Now Jardin, I wanted to find out the second criteria for Jardin is binder, and the result is 1050. If I wanted to cross check again, I can go ahead and do the filter. Then I can select Jardin and I can choose the criteria, which is binder. If I select these two, you'll be able to see the value is $1050. So that means the calculation is correct here. So we got the result as 1050 for Jardin binder. If I wanted to copy and paste another representative with a different item, pen set, let me apply the function again. I will use the function name as AVERAGEIFS. Then open the bracket. I have selected the range, then comma. Then I need to select the range for the first criteria. First criteria is representative name, right? So I have select the first criteria. So comma. I can use comma here, or I can use comma in the formula bar, right? So I have used the comma in the formula bar. Then my criteria is, first criteria is Jones, and comma, then my second criteria. So this is my second criteria range. In this range, I need to find the criteria as pen set. So close the bracket. I got the result as 5850. If I wanted to see if the value is correct or not, then I can go to filter, Jones. Then I can select the second criteria as pen set. If I average these two numbers, then you'll be able to see here the average what we have got, 5850. We have got the result as 5850, which is correct. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.